ARMPAL. We are used to thinking that construction sets should consist of a lot of colourful plastic parts, but ARMPAL proves otherwise. It's a game that gives you everything you need to build a three-dimensional, moving robot. It's designed for a group of up to 4 players, so it's perfect for parties and cozy family gatherings. The robotic arm transforms, providing many opportunities for play, developing your imagination and fine motor skills, and teaching you the basics of robotics. The cost of ARMPAL starts at $99. The Bone. You don't want to sit at home but would like to experience all the delights of augmented reality. In that case, the Bone was created especially for you. These glasses turn you into the main character of a game. They change the space around you, augment it, read the movements of the controller, and give the user virtual superpowers. With the mobile app, you can create routes to explore or play with your friends. At the moment, the Bone is a working prototype ready for sales, so the developers are raising funds for its final implementation. Pong Knockout. A retro game in a modern wrapping. Those are the words that best describe the next toy on our list. Pong Knockout takes us back to the days when table tennis was still very popular. However, you can play it with much more comfort in a group of up to 4 people. This arcade machine will allow you to forget about the pain in the hands caused by uncomfortable rackets and balls flying all over the room. Maximum ease of operation will allow you to fully immerse yourself in the game without getting distracted. The Shelby Destroyer. This toy gun is unlike anything you've seen before. The developers tried 17 prototypes, developing even the smallest internal details until the design was finally ready. The months of hard work were well worth it. The Shelby Destroyer shoots special foam discs and has an amazing fire rate of up to 6 discs per second. At the same time, the magazine can hold up to 120 discs. This means that you can charge your weapon less frequently and fire for longer. The Shelby Destroyer is battery-powered, has a spectacular futuristic look, and pleases the eye with its voluminous dimensions but lightweight. This 2021 toy can be ordered on the crowdfunding platform right now for only $217. Armor Outcast 6S BLX. It's easy to conquer even the toughest off-road terrain with this toy. For $720, you get a solid all-metal transmission, a reliable body reinforced with aluminium, and a brushless Armor BLX 2050 kV motor. The model is also waterproof and features large tires with a deep tread, at least for a toy. All these features make any obstacles under the wheels of the SUV insignificant. Regardless of the type of road, the toy can reach speeds of over 60 miles per hour. Air Hog Supernova. You will hardly find a better drone for performing stunts, if only because Air Hog Supernova was designed specifically for them. On the surface of the lattice body, there are 5 sensors that read the movements around it, adjusting the position of the drone in space. The smooth flight, similar to hovering, is provided by 4 rotors. The developer says that there are more than 30 control techniques, as well as 9 super tricks of different complexity. You'll master them gradually, so the toy will keep you entertained for quite some time. The price is $150. Tilt 5. To make the evenings with your friends even more fun, we recommend you to pay attention to board games. But instead of classic games, you could try games that work with augmented reality. Tilt 5 comes with a pair of goggles that open up a whole new, incredibly colorful and fascinating world for the players. And given that the toy supports a huge number of different games, you'll be playing all the time. The price of one set starts at $300.